Paul and Martha.
Hello.
Hello. This is a special day.
It is a special day.
It is a special day. Today is our 10th year anniversary.
10-year wedding anniversary.
We've been married for 10 short years. It seems like it's gone by just like that, doesn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Anyway, we decided to drive up to Chattanooga, which is a real quick 90-minute trip from Atlanta. And anyway, we're in a town called, or a city, the scenic city, Chattanooga, Tennessee.
We just came from a Segway Tour.
We just took a Segway Tour, and that'll be in the video here. We drove around Walnut Street Bridge, Coolidge Park, another park, back to Market Street, and then went around the aquarium to the parks around the aquarium. Went by the riverboat and along the river walk.
And we took some very challenging paths.
And we took like a small version of the, what was the name of that street in San Francisco?
I don't know.
The world's most curviest street. Well, we took the world's most curviest Segway path. Well, I don't know if it's really the world's most curviest, but it was my world's most curviest.
It was to me.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we're on the Walnut Street Bridge. It's a pedestrian bridge here in Chattanooga, and it runs across the Tennessee River. This is the Tennessee River right here, and that is the Market Street Bridge. And I remember when I was young, my parents used to call that the Singing Bridge because it's got a metal base in the center of it, and then on the sides it's metal with concrete, so it basically does anyway, it makes sound, so we call it the Singing Bridge. And over there, I think that was called Coolidge Park. And that was a very nice park, doesn't you think?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, so anyway, great place to drive around a Segway. But I'm amazed at the number of kayakers that are on the river.
We need to come back another time just to do kayaking.
We need to come back another time and try to do kayaking, and if we don't do it, swim to shore. But yes, we need to come back and do kayaking. The last time I did kayaking, it wasn't a very pleasant experience. Have you kayaked before?
Yes, we have. We did in Florida, remember, together.
And we lived through it?
Yes, we did.
Okay, I don't remember that. It was such a frightening experience.
No, it wasn't.
But yeah, once in a kayak, I actually drifted over when I went kayaking on the Etowah River. Anyway, down in the far, over the bridge over there, you can actually see a riverboat. They do riverboat tours, and I did a dinner tour many years ago. Off in the distance, you can see power lines that come from Raccoon Mountain, I believe it is. It's a big lake on top of a mountain that they pump water up from the Tennessee River during the daytime, and then they release it at night for during high withdrawal times to produce electricity. But I'm just amazed at the number of condos that are down here on the river area now. But anyway, you'll see, maybe I'll be able to take the drone up. We'll do some drone video, and we'll have the Segway Tour video, and who knows, probably tons of pictures, so hope you enjoy. You know, if we do come back and we decide to kayak, I think we should basically become kind of stranded on that island. Does that look like fun?
Like those people there?
Yeah, you know, just basically.
You need to rent a boat in order to do that.
I know, but I mean, we could basically go in there
and kayak and come back to the boat.
And we could basically say we were stranded on an island and not be lying. Yeah. And we could tell everybody the adventure of being stranded on an island.
That's the Southern Belle boat. You've been on that one? Nice. The bigger ship is the one that's called the Southern Belle. This one.
I still think we should get one of these. Huh? We won't have to wear a cape. We wouldn't have to sign a waiver every time.
water feature behind me here is known as the Passage, and it is a memorial to the event known as the Trail of Tears. How's that for a spectacular view?
I want a picture.
All right, get your camera ready.
I'm feeling your husband will. GPS over there.
Well,
Big building GPS.
yeah.
This is happening.
Is the challenging Segway path that I was talking about.
Yeah, it started from underneath down there, and you just went left and right, left and right, left and right,
very
left and
challenging.
right. And then you just hope that you didn't hit the side anywhere, because you could flip it. But everybody did fine, and they didn't lose any people. Well, our trip is done.
It is done. I put my sad face.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I had a good time.
Yeah.
It was a good place to visit for a short getaway.
Will you ever come back to Chattanooga?
Yes.
She said she'll be back a lot.
I think that we need to come for kayaking and the other Segway Tour
In fall.
in fall.
Mm-hmm.
And we need to come when the donuts place is open.
What donut place?
The donut place that they say that you can have a donut that tastes to pancake, donuts, and bacon at the same time.
Ooh, okay. All right, well, they say that's good.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And have a great week. Bye-bye.
Bye.